In this video, we are going to look at the very quick version of the demo. Let's have a look. Once you have the user ID and password, you'll be able to log in on the platform. Once you are logged in, then you'll be redirected to the dashboard. The dashboard gives you a quick glance on how many contacts you have, how many certificates are generated so far, how many users are there on the platform, and how many visitors came on the portal, what is the current target of this month, and how many visitors we have received so far in this month. It also has these features where you'll be able to see the history of certificates generated in the certain month. Right now, it is set to this year, so it's showing you this year data. But if you want to see the last in your business, you can also look at this year data, and then you can see that this year you had these many certificates generated. Alright, this is a quick glance on the dashboard. Now, let's get started with the very first part of any certificate design, which is basically designing. In this section, you have multiple options to design a certificate. We generally suggest you the A4 horizontal version or A4 vertical version. The horizontal version is quite popular. And using this, I have created a specific demo certificate especially for this occasion. Let me open this design. What you have here is basically a certificate that is pre-designed for this event. Now, in the left side of the screen, you have elements that you can drag and drop. You have backgrounds which you can use and change. You also have features like icons from where you can actually pick up icons. You can search for any other thing which you want to. For example, if you want to search for something related to gold coin, then you'll be able to see designs related to gold coin over here. You can add these. To tweak the feature here, you can simply zoom in and zoom out. To save the design, you can simply save it from here. These are basically text files which you can edit, and this is a variable that you can edit and set it up. These are the general info. This is an image, and this is basically the signatory. Once you have the design, you will go back to this section, and then from here you can create events, or you can directly go and generate bulk certificate. But if you're trying to bulk generate the certificate, with which name you are going to generate the certificate? And this is where all contacts come in the picture. Now, all contacts has all the list of contacts that are associated with your institute or college. But are you going to generate certificate for all the people here? Not really. You're going to generate for a selected student, and this is where list comes in the picture. This is list of certain students who are part of this. For this event, I have specially created AI Hackathon 2025. You can simply see here that there are 0 contacts associated. In fact, let me delete this and create one from the scratch. It has been deleted. Source is CSV file. I have saved it. And then I'll go here. And because there are no contacts associated, I will add from scratch. One contact has been added. Let's add another one. This time it's a little bit longer, and it's a personal email. Now let's go ahead and design and map the certificate. Go to certificate, go to bulk generate, give event name AI Hackathon 2025. It is saying starting and ending date to be 2 years. We'll just change this and we'll keep it only for 1 day. Meetup.com. We'll select the certificate that we designed earlier. select a contact list. If you remember, it was AI Hackathon 2025. We'll click. Now this text is going to be sent in the email, which will be sent to the students. Am I willing to send email to recipients? Absolutely. Is this going to expire on a certain date? The certificate? No. Let's review this. It is for AI Hackathon 2025. Event description. Certificate template. I can quickly have a look. Yes, this is the correct one. AI Hackathon 2025, which has 2 contacts. Then email content, send certificate link, send PDF, and then we have no expiration. Okay, let's confirm and generate. Finally, it has given me the congratulations, and all certificates will be generated and sent. That means that it takes a little bit of time. Let's go and see the progress. Here you can see that total number of contacts associated is 2, and total number of certificates generated is actually 1. What should happen here? Well, it will take a while, and then it will generate all the certificate and it will send to the right people. Now, as all certificates are generated here, we can go to candidates list. We can download the certificate and we can have a look. There you go. What if you want to download all the certificates? Simply click here. The zip file will be downloaded. This is the one. You can simply open the certificate from here. You can have a look. You can also open it from here and you can have a look. All the certificates are generated and sent successfully. Now, if you want to see the email that has been sent here, here you go. It sent an email to me just a minute ago. This is the one that has the full name. It has also sent an email to the admin telling that congratulations, your AI Hackathon 2025 certificate has been generated and it has been sent. If I want to have a look, I can simply click on the link. It will take me to the page, the event page, and it will give me all the information which is relevant to this event. So this is how it works. I hope you enjoyed the journey, and this is how the whole bulk generation process happens and how the certificates are downloaded in zip. I hope it made sense. If you have any questions, please let us know. We'll be happy to help you. Thank you.